So because the day before yesterday it was summer, and now it's winter again because it's 2 days later because it's Canada, I had to get the Mr. Heater 30 times 30 to 60,000 BTU blowing the heat through the man shed. Yeah, baby! So one thing that I haven't done in a while is done some wire stripping. So I think I'm gonna probably do that and see how I come along. Right here. I'm gonna fire up this little bad boy and see what we can do. Strip a little wire. And the next thing I do is I fire up a couple candles. This one here is honey pear, country spiced. I think it's actually vanilla. It's really cool. It smells really good. Fire up these candles. If I zoom in on this little bad boy over here, I fire him up. Oh, get her up to 30. It's a good little heater. Between that and my little candles, shed stays nice and toasty. And in about an hour and a half, hockey time. Decided to fire up a couple extra candles so that we have maximum heatage from the flamage coming in. Now the next thing we do, so take the little cordless drill here, stick her on the, whoa, come on, get in there. Stick her on the end, like so, tighten it up, and we go this way. We just take the wire off with that. I'll demonstrate momentarily. Next thing we do, strip the wire. Easy as pie. Easy as pie. This cuts it right down the middle, just like so. Basically what it does, cuts that piece of wire so you can get this wire out. Like Shazamo. Just like so. Fire that in the garbage. Then you got your wire. That's where you make the money, when you're stripping wire. I do this when I'm watching TV or watching the hockey game stuff. Put some gloves on so my hands don't get all yucky. Got them right here. So yeah, simple as pie. Do a whole bunch of these. Take that piece and you just wrap it up real quick. So yeah, it's a simple, easy way. Make some bonus bucks while you're watching hockey or doing whatever. Friends, have a great day. I hope to talk to you soon. You got any questions? Throw the comments in. And we'll talk to you soon. Have a great, great day.